Hello everybody, I'm 100 Visions Guy, and I'm going to be doing a series of hopefully relatively short mini lessons on Alice, giving you some cool 3D interactive graphics. And on the first one, I just want to go over one quick thing, and that is if you've never done Alice before and you download it, you want to go to alice.org on the web, and you want to go to downloads, and I recommend you do Alice 2.3. And you download it. It'll be a zipped folder and you're going to need to extract it. But really, pretty much wherever you extract it is going to work. At least that worked for me. And so, if you've never done it before, once you extract it and you run it for the first time, I recommend you go through the tutorial. Select tutorial 1 and start it. And go take a look at all these. You can learn a lot from it if you are patient. So you click Start Tutorial and you click OK, let it resize, and it loads the world. And then just follow what's on the yellow, follow the instructions. Those are words. Words can help show you things. Yeah. Okay. Well, anyway, I am not going to go over that because what I want to do is a little bit, slightly more advanced. Now, I don't know why the skate, oh, it's because I did the tutorial. I'm going to do a new world again. We're going to go on the grass. And I want to talk to you about, on this particular one, I'm just going to talk to you about some objects you might want to be interested in. And then I'm going to show you how to take one of those objects and give it a new method, something it can do. So you want to go into the Add Object world. Let me expand this window here. And okay, so when you first open it up, you're going to see Home. You're going to have Local Gallery. This is all stuff you downloaded on your computer. There's also stuff on the web, and the web will have everything you have on your computer plus more. I'm going to start just on our computer, and you can look at the other ones. First thing I want to show you, though, is that for people, what you absolutely want to do is go to People, and you want to find the ones that know how to walk. I almost said mock. If you have one that can mock, that would be cool too. Anyway, so let's go to Walking People. And anyone you see on here can walk and possibly do other things. So so when we want to add an object, you just click where it says class and whatever the class is. And that's just like a classification. We got lots of objects and we need to give them names and organize them in groupings like People, Walking People, and Alice. And when we're ready to add Alice to the world, we click Add Instance to the World. And there she is. Okay. Now, if we click on Alice, we're going to see what she can do. We can do walk prep. Her lower body. I'm not entirely sure what that does. But if you ever want to see, here's what's cool, is these methods, you can actually edit them and change how they work, or you can just edit them and see how they were done. So I clicked edit, and this is what it's doing. Right leg pass, right heel strike, etc. So let's just go ahead and try it out. When you're ready to test something out, go to World My First Method, and then all you have to do is drag anything from this window over into your editor area. So this is the details area, so I'm going to do her lower body. Not entirely sure what that's going to do. And it looks good, so I'm going to press play and see what happens. Oh, it's like she does a little dance. Okay, and then we can have her walk, so I can drag that out. And then you have to determine how far you want her to walk. Let's have her walk 2. And let's say we want to repeat that multiple times. We can do loop. Loop lets you repeat. So we can have her loop 5 times. Alright. And then I'm thinking, why not? We're going to have her do a little dance. Okay. So we're going to do her little lower body again. And then after she does that, she's going to turn and then go forward. So we're going to use Alice, turn. And we can have her turn left, turn right, doesn't really matter. We're going to have her do half a revolution. She'll turn around halfway. And then we'll have her do the little lower body again. So I make a copy. I'm right-clicking to do this. And I drag it down. And then we're going to have her walk the same distance in the opposite direction. So I want to make a copy of that. Uh-oh, error encountered. Okay, fine. Maybe now it'll let us do it. Make a copy. Okay, it doesn't like that, so we'll just have her do it again. And that was walk and have her go 2. So she's going to repeat this 5 different times. So she's going to go back and forth as she dances her little jig. I'm going to press play. There she is, dances, goes forward, dances, turns, dances, goes forward. And we have the makings of some kind of folk dance or something, I don't know. So there you have it. Okay, so that's our first little tutorial of general programming. I said we're going to talk about editing it, but I cheated. I'm going to do that in my next one. In my next one, I'm going to show you how you can write your own little method, and you can program Alice or any other object to do something you want, such as the chicken dance.